Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to tell you how to create a wing liner with the help of a tape. Apply a tape on your lower lash line. Now apply the tape on your upper lash line, creating a stencil look of a winged eyeliner. Make sure you set it properly so that it does not move. Now take a sketch pen liner and fill the gap between the tape properly. Now gently remove the tape from both the sides. Give dots in the form of wing shape, then join them. So here you go, you get a perfect wing. Thirdly, give a backstroke by your winged sketch pen eyeliner, then join it forming a V shape. And here you go, you get the perfect wing eyeliner.